Have you ever wondered why prepositions are so crucial in the English language? How a simple word like in, on, or at could change the meaning of a sentence entirely? Well, let's explore this linguistic puzzle together. Prepositions, these tiny words, carry a lot of weight. They guide us through time, place, direction, and more. But when it comes to certain pairs, it's easy to get them mixed up. Consider the pair in and on. Both indicate location, but in different ways. In is used when something is enclosed or surrounded. For example, the cat is in the box. Here, the cat is inside, enclosed by the box. On, however, implies a surface. So if we say the book is on the table, it means the book is resting on the surface of the table. Two little words, but what a difference in meaning. Then we have the pair at and by. At pinpoints a specific location or point in time. If we say meet me at the station, it means a specific location. Now, by can also mean location, but it has a sense of nearness or close proximity, as in the bakery is by the station. Here, the bakery is close to the station, not necessarily at the station itself. Next up, we have for and since. Both relate to time, but they're not interchangeable. For is used to indicate a duration, like I have been studying for 2 hours. Since, on the other hand, is used when we talk about a specific point in time in the past till now, as in, I have been studying since morning. To summarize, prepositions, as small as they may be, play a big role in conveying the right meaning. In and on help us express whether something is enclosed or on a surface. At and by allow us to denote a specific location or proximity. Finally, for and since help us talk about durations and specific points in time. Remember, prepositions are like the glue that holds sentences together. They may seem small and insignificant, but they are mighty in their importance. So, the next time you're about to use a preposition, pause for a moment and make sure it's the right one for the job. Because, as we've just seen, the correct preposition can make all the difference. And with that, we've come to the end of our journey through the world of commonly confused prepositions. So, until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, every word matters, especially the small ones.